Welcome to Henry channel. Let's get started. In this video I will show you how to upgrade the RAM and replace the battery for this laptop. So you need to remove all these screws. So once that's done, place them in a safe place like this. These are the tools you need. Use that pry tool to open the case and cover. So obviously I fast forward everything. You have to put the pry tool in between the gap and lift the cover, which I already have. So once you open the laptop cover, this is your empty memory slot in your battery here. 1, 2, 3. 3 screws to remove the battery. So I'm on the last screw now. So I'm gonna show you what to do once you remove this screw. So that's the connector for the battery. You lift this clip up, metal that holds the battery connector in place. So you just lift it up just like this, and then in between here you grab it and then you just lift it up and it comes out. Simple as that, guys. So it's vice versa. Once you have your new battery in place, I will install RAM now, so make sure it goes this way in. So align it here, you slot it, you push it down now until it will click into place. So that's your RAM installation installed. Now for the battery, now to reinsert your battery, it's very simple, guys. It's literally vice versa. You just align it in between where the battery clicks into place, which is here where the screws are lined. As you can see, perfect fit. You put the screws back in, so all 3 of them back in, and then the connector, guys. So you lift the metal brace up and then you just align it in that connector. You push it down and then you just pull down the clip to secure it into place. You tuck the cable in there and that's all good. So that's the RAM and battery replacement, and then you tighten all the screws back in. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel if it has. Please check out my other videos too. Don't forget to like the video. It's time now to switch on the laptop. As you can see, straight away it's loading into Windows, which is great news.